Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see what are the different topics that we are going to learn in this chapter, definite integral. So let us start. You are familiar with the indefinite integral that we have seen in the previous chapter. So in integration, we have only find out the answer. But what is definite integral? The word definite specifically says you need to have a correct answer. So in this case, we are going to find a numerical answer for each case of integral. And here we are going to have two limits, that will be a lower limit and the upper limit. The definite integral can be recognized from the number that are written from the lower and the upper right of the integral sign. Thus if we say a quantity like integral a to b f of x dx, in this the limits of x will be from x is equal to a to x is equal to b. So these numbers a and b are called as lower and upper limits. Thus the symbol integral a to b f of x dx basically denotes the area that is formed by the curve from x is equal to a to x is equal to b above the x-axis. And also that area is considered as a signed area for that particular integral. In definite integral, we assume that the area that is formed above the x-axis is a positive area and the area that is formed below x-axis is the negative area. The formulas that we are going to see are same to same that we have seen in the previous chapter of integration. So there is no need to buy out extra formulas. Only you should understand the standard formulas and how to identify the different types of integrals that we have seen in the previous chapter. Where to use substitution method, where to use partial fraction method, and where to use integration by parts. I hope friends you have understood this video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.